Inter second year zoology paper 8 marks important questions 2021 IPE TSNE. Hello friends, I am Vamsi Krishna. Welcome to my channel. So today I am going to tell you about the most important paper. The most important paper that's going to be the zoology inter second year paper. Zoology is a paper very important. Each and every student should be able to understand the meaning of that particular. What is meaning of zoology? What is the meaning? What is the definition of zoology? What is the concept of zoology? The student should be able to understand the meaning. First, before starting, I suggest each and every student first, if you want to know more details regarding this 8 marks important questions regarding inter second year zoology paper, in the description below, in the description, you can find more information regarding important questions of 8 marks zoology of inter second year. In this video, there is a description below. In the description below, you can find 8 marks important questions of inter second year zoology. You want to know more details of important questions of 8 marks. The first and foremost thing is, I suggest each and every student to watch the video completely first. Understanding the meaning of the question is very important. 8 marks means what? You can get a very good marks in the public examinations. The high weightage in zoology paper is 8 marks. You need to write any 2 questions out of 3. The first and foremost important questions in which we are going to discuss is, explain the physiology of urine formation. Explain the physiology of urine formation. The first question. The second question, describe male reproductive system. Describe male reproductive system of a man with a perfect diagram. First, student should understand what is a male reproductive system. What is the definition of physiology of a urine formation? The third and foremost important question is, what are multiple alleles? What are multiple alleles? Described with the help of ABO blood groups in man. What are multiple alleles? Described with the help of ABO blood groups in man. Friends, very important friends. It's one of the most important questions regarding 8 marks of inter second year zoology. Each and every student should be able to understand the meaning of the question as well as of the answer also. If the students are unable to understand the meaning of the question and answer, it is very difficult for the students to get a good marks in the public exam. Students should be able to understand the meaning and the concept of the each and every question. Meaning of the question. Reproductive system. Reproductive system is very important. Physiology of urine formation is very important. Multiple alleles discussed with the help of APO blood groups in man. Not only 8 marks, different weightage of marks also. In the getting good marks in zoology, 8 marks is the highest weightage in this paper. Finally, if you like my video, please try to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon so that you will get my updated next videos. And finally, I want to say is, to know the more important questions regarding 8 marks, in the description below, you can find 8 marks important questions, more details. Thank you so much.